Hello, welcome back to my next video. I am Susmita Disil. Welcome back to my next video. This video is the continuation of the chapter Electricity part 5. Okay, listen here. This video mainly we are dealing with what is resistance. Very common term in the physics students. The term is resistance. But we cannot identify actually what is resistance. The theoretical function statements already we by hearted. So this video I am trying to explain actually what is resistance. The smaller class onwards we should study resistance means the block of current. How it will be happen? Resistance मतलब current को block करना, am I right? And how it will be happen? That is this video I am mainly concentrating. So listen here properly and try to understand what is resistance. Come. So what is resistance? The statement is like that. In a microscopic level, electrons moving through a conductor collide with the particles of which the material's conductor is made. They collide and they transfer kinetic energy. The electrons lose that kinetic energy and slow down. This leads to resistance. Very easily I am explaining you what is that. Listen here. I am considering a conductor. You know what is conductor? Conductor is a material allowed to flow of electrons, otherwise charged particles. Am I right? So this conductor is made up of iron. This iron, I am taking one of the example of iron. The iron content is here. Am I right? That is the particle inside of the conductor. Iron content is the particle. Okay. In a microscopic level, I can to see that iron particle. In my naked eyes, I can to see. But in a microscopic level, I can to see the particles inside of the conductor is moving. Okay. Then, whenever I am just connecting to a cell with this conductor, I am connecting to a cell through the conductor. What happened? The electrons is passing through the conductor. Then the conductor particles attain more energy. Am I right? That's the reason the particle is moving very fastly and collide each other. Bombardment will be happen. Collide each other. That time the electrons lose some kinetic energy. So that electron lose some kinetic energy means the movement tendency is less. That means the movement is slow. Electron movement is slow. What is the meaning? Current flow is reduced. I am right? I repeat once more. I am taking a conductor example for iron conductor. The iron particle inside it. Okay. In a microscopic level, I can to see that iron particle. What is the tendency of this iron particle? Depends on the electron movement. It is start to move and allow the flow of electron. Okay. Then in the case of resistance, we should concentrate how it will be happen. Whenever we have to connect it to a cell, the electron's movement is increased. So whenever the electron movement is increased, it start to bombard, start to collide. Whenever it will be collide to each other, they lose some energy. So it will be lose some energy. That means it is reduced the movement tendency. Kinetic energy will be reduced. Whenever the kinetic energy is reduced, the movement is very low. Electron movement is low in this case. I am right? So electron movement is low means current flow is reduced. That is resistance. Current flow reduced. That is called as resistance. Okay. Then this electron lose kinetic energy and slow down. This lead to resistance. This transfer energy causes the resistance heater. You can listen here. After the bombardment, energy will be transferred. Energy is loosed up. Whenever the energy is loosed up, any energy is loosed in the form of heat. Am I right? Okay, that's the reason some of the heating effect we have to experience in the case of resistance will be happen in the conductors. Okay, then the electron gain energy from the batteries and they collide to lose. Whenever the electrons will be start to slow down, it will be collected energy from the cell another. Then it will gain attain another compartment, another losing of kinetic energy. Then reduce the current flow direction. Then resistance will be happen like that. Clear everyone? So what is the resistance? The particle inside of the conductor is moving very fastly, bombarding with each other, collide with each other and lose some energy. So the movement of the electron movement speed is decreased. The electron movement speed is